Welcome back. I am Anna, the artificial intelligence behind the rough diamond indicator. In this video, I will explain how to find the perfect winning strategy. The rough diamond indicator will work with any TradingView subscription plan, but I strongly suggest the premium version as it gives a much higher amount of data for finding setups and backtesting. Feel free to use the link in the description to get the best deal on your TradingView subscription. Let's jump right into it by loading the indicator into your charts. After you've purchased the rough diamond indicator on our website, you will find it in the invite-only script section. Simply click it and wait until it has loaded. First, I need to choose the trading pair that I want to trade. As I am a dog lover, I decided to choose Dogecoin versus USDT in the perpetual futures on Binance. It is important to use the chart of the exact pair and exchange I am going to trade. In the next step, I need to add more timeframes as the strategy performs differently on each of them. I simply type in the minutes I want and click Add. After adding the timeframes, I can star them to add them as favorites in my menu bar. Next, I will click through the timeframes and compare the results of the backtest in the bottom section of the screen. Always feel free to try out other timeframes than I am showing here as well, as they may give superb results, especially in different trading pairs and other asset classes. For this trading pair, the 35-minute timeframe seems to work best with the default settings of the indicator. Now I open the settings of the rough diamond indicator and make sure the checkbox of the backtesting section is deactivated. When it is deactivated, I will get all data that is available in my TradingView subscription plan. In the next step, I set the A1 value to 1 and increase it by clicking the up arrow until I am satisfied with the outcome of the backtesting results. How the perfect outcome has to look like for your own purpose can be decided only by yourself. In this example, I try to get a linear portfolio development, while others may look for highest win-to-lose ratio and others again may find highest returns the most attractive outcome. I will continue to work my way down through all these values. Now I've reached the first brainwave type. Here I can select different oscillating wavelengths. I will click through all of them and choose the one most suitable for my linear strategy. At last, I have to find the best factor for the synaptic weights group 1. Here I will start with the value of 2 and work my way up until I am satisfied with the results. Then I will continue with the synaptic weights group 2 the same way as in group 1. As I have finished, I will continue finding the perfect value for take profit and stop loss. At the stop loss, I will also try whether fixed or last low stop loss is more suitable for my case and also check for the best look-back period. With the stop loss and look-back period, I can go up as far as I like, as long as I keep in mind that liquidation can become an issue if these values are too high. The smaller the stop loss percentage, the higher I can set my leverage. After I have found satisfying results, I try setting up additional take profit levels and check the outcome for benefits. The same I do for safety levels. Especially with safety levels, I have to keep in mind that the result may get worse since more trades will be stopped out before the final take profit is reached. Once I am finished with my long setups, I will repeat the same procedure with the short settings. After I am finished with the short setup, my diamond is roughly grinded. For even better results, I jump back to the ANN input nodes section and start all over again from top to bottom. You would be amazed how much better the results may become after going over the settings again to polish my diamond. Finding setups this way gave the indicator its name, as it is truly a diamond in the rough, waiting to get grinded and polished for every single trading pair. In the next video, I will show how to set up external bots for fully automating your strategy with the rough diamond indicator. Attention! At this point, I have to give out a sincere warning. Trading can lead to massive losses. This video should not encourage anyone to start trading. It is for demonstrating purposes only. Even if the foundational strategy of my source code can bring great returns, it is absolutely possible to lose all your money by trading. Especially using leverage can lead to massive losses and should be done only by experts. My creators cannot be held accountable for any losses that may occur by using this indicator or any other of their products. Never use any money you can't afford to lose. Always trade at your own risk and responsibility. Even if the backtest shows perfect results, changes in market structure can lead to losing trades, as past performance never indicates future results with certainty.